shit now, man.
How deep?
Well, I've pulled 4 springs out of this thing, so I'm probably fine. No, it's like, yeah, I'm in deep shit.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, so I've pulled like 5 springs out of it, so I'm probably,
in over your head?
yeah, it's probably not going over, no, I'm not, I don't think I'm in over my head. I'm just, this is a very strange way that this transmission's put together, or at least, I'm not a transmission expert. So, basically, we're trying to get to a seal. Right behind that. It's pressed into the bell housing behind this. So, we have to pull the bell housing out. Look, it leaks out of here, out of the splines, and then gets on the clutch and goes. So, but I separated it here and I tried bringing it apart, and I noticed that it's pulling this, but the gear set's not moving, which means the gear set is bolted to the bell housing. So, what I'm having to do right now is run to AutoZone to get me a 30mm deep socket.
So that was a fucking lie.
So that I can get the main shaft nut off. And then, once the main shaft nut is off, this will come off, this plate will come off, and then I should be able to smack this with a punch and this as this gets pulled up, and this whole piece will slide off.
I'll smack you, pull you up, and slide you off.
Jesus Christ, that's a 30 mil?
Yeah, 30 mil. Luckily it's all metric, so it's like,
why you always
but god damn, man, I'm like,
It's a souvenir. I totally left work earlier today. Yeah. I just went in there like 11 and I was like, can I leave early today? Mom was like, yeah, I'll sit at you. I was like, can I leave at 2? Yeah, sure. Cool. What are you gonna do? I wanted to. I was like, yep, go on today. It's like, Dylan, you're gonna be fine, right? Yeah, I should be. Like, okay, cool. When David gave me shit, I was just like, I gotta take care of this.
is David being a butthole?
Well, see, he's always gonna be a butthole about stuff like that. Because I work with a broken leg and taking transmissions out on an office chair. And I was like, yeah, I'm going home.
He's not wrong.
Yeah. I know that type. I'm probably gonna be that type someday.
Yeah,
What
so
did I just do?
If we call out sick, we won't hear the
Something
end of it.
just fell inside. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
We're not staying all too long, but we're gonna be here for a tiny bit. JC, what the fuck did you do?
Bruh, I don't fucking know. All I know is that
Yeah, you pull that bolt and you just... It's like what Shane did on the RX-6.
That's not good though.
okay. Yeah, so my theory is correct. Oh, that's the magnet. The magnet that gets all the goopy goop out. The gear lube is really clean. But what I noticed, see how like this gap right here? If I start separating it, it hits the top of this gear and then it won't come off. So once I take this gear off, this whole thing's gonna go and then the gear train's gonna be exposed, and then I'm gonna have to take the main shaft and the counter shaft out of the bell housing. I'm taking apart the whole transmission right now.
That's scary.
It is terrifying. I've only done this once before on a Honda motor, or a Honda transmission.
Why do you have to take it apart?
To get to the input shaft seal because it's on the outside, it's inside the transmission.
It's dumb. It's really, literally...
Every other car is on the outside.
Literally to replace this.
There's a Duraless.
What? Dude, I had to do so much research to find this seal. I had to translated the parts diagrams from Japanese to English to find out the dimensions of the input shaft seal. And then I went around and like went through all the Duralast and all the different catalogs to find the dimensions to get the part. Yeah, fuck Japanese only cars, especially niche cars like this that